Good morning, my dear children. Take out your computer book, page number 23. Page number 23. Okay. So last week I explained you till this page 22. So today we'll do this page number 23. Okay. So means we'll learn about computer output devices. Okay. Last week we learned about computer input devices. So today we'll learn about computer output devices. Okay. So before that we'll read this. See, microphone is also an input device. It is used to input sound in the computer. So what is microphone? Microphone is also an input device. Okay, it is also an input device. It is used to input sound. It is used to input sound in the computer. Okay. Now this is a scanner. It is used to input pictures and text from a paper into the computer. So look at this picture. What is this? This is a scanner. Okay, this is a scanner. So it is used to input pictures and text. So we use this scanner to input what? Pictures and text. Okay, to input pictures and text from a paper into the computer. So we use the scanner to input the pictures and text from a paper, okay, into the computer. The computer in output devices. The devices which are used to show the result are called output devices. The devices which are used to show the result are called output devices. Let's read about them. This is a monitor. It looks like a television screen. It is used to display the input as well as the output of a computer. So look at this picture. What is this? This is a monitor. This is a monitor. And how does it look? It looks like a television screen. It looks like a television screen. Okay, actually this is a monitor, but it looks like a television screen. It is used to display the input as well as the output of a computer. So it is used, the monitor is used to display the input and the output of a computer. Okay. So now next look at this picture. What is this? This is a printer. What is this? This is a printer. It prints whatever we see on the monitor. It can print black and white as well as color printout. So this is a printer. So we use printer to print black and white as well as color printout. Okay, see, it prints whatever we see on the monitor. So whatever we see on the monitor, it can print black and white as well as color printouts. Okay, so this printer prints out whatever we see on the monitor. Okay, and also it can print black and white as well as color printout. Okay. What is a printout called as? What is a printout called as? It is called as a hard copy. So what is printout called? It is called hard copy. Okay. Now turn to page 24. These are speakers. See, look at this picture. What are these? These are speakers. They are used to listen sound from the computer. We can listen songs from the speakers. So you can see the pictures. What are these? These are speakers. So they are used to listen sound. We use speakers to listen sound from the computer, and also we can listen songs from the speakers. We can listen music, songs also from the speakers. Okay. Now pop-up window. Now let us read this. UPS. UPS. Each a very useful device of a computer. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Means the full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supply. It keeps the computer on for some time after the light goes off. So UPS is very useful device of a computer. The full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supply. So what does this UPS do? It keeps the computer on for some time after the light goes off. If the current goes off, with the help of this UPS, we can keep the computer on for some time. Okay, we can keep the computer on for some time after the light goes off. So the chapter is completed. So we'll do this work. Okay, the rest of the exercise work we'll do in the next class. So today we'll do only this one. Okay, read the clues and name the parts of a computer. Number 1. I am used to type letters. Who am I? I am used to type letters. Who am I? So who am I? Keyboard. So you write KEYBOARD, keyboard. Okay. Number 2. I look like an animal. Who am I? I look like an animal. Who am I? It is a mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Number 3. I can show you everything. Who am I? I can show you everything. Who am I? It is a monitor. MONITOR, monitor. Number 4. I can give out sound. Who am I? I can give out sound. Who am I? It is a speaker. So you write SPEAKER, speaker. So you will do this work first in your book, then you will write this work in your copy also. Okay, I'll send you the PDF notes of this work which you write in your copy. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.